June 23rd, 2019 at 11:13 p.m. I made the final connection, and I got the electric wire hooked up. Everything's inside. Time to check and see if the pump is running. Here we go. The moment I've been waiting for. Block off there. How nasty and gunky this was. The water's working. The water is on. So I'm gonna take the time to kind of clean this out. Clearing up. I just had to flush the last bit of that mud that was pumped out. Already filled up a 2-gallon bucket of water. Give me a moment. I got running water. Just step off into the corner. Let me bypass you. There you go. Just wait right there. Let's see if I can get this. Looks like I got this almost pretty much clean, really good. Let's see if I can get this really cleaned out. Filled up another 2-gallon bucket. I'm basically flushing out the line before I power rise it to everything. Oh my. There's a tool that I don't have in here. See if this thing will hold a charge. Okay. This is the moment I've been waiting for. Now that I clean up the line, this can fill up to the tank and pressurize. So right here and right here. And right here, you can tell it's getting up to its cutoff point. Smoothly cut off. And you can see right here the water's real clear. So I did successfully pull out all the sediment out of the water well. The pump is now set at from the top of the casing all the way down to 355 feet, which there's only 360 feet of casing, so it's not past the steel casing. Now it's 5 feet above the end of the steel casing. And then from there, I got about 37 feet overall of nothing but cleaned out, sucked out. If you pulled the pump up about 10 feet, it was really clear. So I shouldn't have any problems anymore. New pump seems to be working. Let's go see if it will flow to the home. Let's go see. Follow me. Watch out right there. Here's a good, nice, easy spot to test it on. Also helps get the air out of the line. Come on in. You can tell that washing by hand has been done superbly. Yes, my mama has been helping wash dishes too. And is there water through the hot? Oh, it's definitely. Alright, and over here. Can you see the camera real quick? Okay. Come on in. This is the bathroom. So, this is the hot. This is the cold. Here's the cold. All the lines will have to be flushed out. Hot's flowing. Hold on 1 second. Let's see here. What's going on with this one? I'd say the toilet's functional again. So, I know what I want to do. I want to take a shower badly. And then drink some good purified water after I flush all the lines out. So, June 23rd at 11:13 p.m. Mountain Time is the final connection of the electricity and everything to have running water. I believe I can finally enjoy a nice, good, hot shower. So, woo! Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the whole progress. I mean, from removing a 380-foot water well to breaking and mid-removal, retrieving the electric wire, retrieving the fallen water well pipe from 258 feet, and pumping out the sediment, getting all the gunk out of the 392 feet bottom out, and now successfully installed a brand new water well pump and got the whole home powerized with water. Thank you so much. Made in America. Have a good life. Mixed in with all types of nations parts. Thank you for all the great prices. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for all the help in having full trust in me to do this. So, to out all the pipeline welders, I still did my welding, kept all the knowledge, never gave up on the welding. Thank you, guys. I was able to finish that with all of that knowledge. Thank you. Enjoy. Peace out.
That's beautiful, Brenda.